You'll love the creative shops in downtown Holton, Kansas. Like More Than Lemons, the local art gallery, where you can schedule your own blown glass experience. Or Quilting on the Square, where quality supplies and services are available on the corner of the square or at quiltingonthesquare.com. And find the perfect gift for that special occasion at Heart to Home and check out the Spartina 449 handbags. More Than Lemons, Quilting on the Square, and Heart to Home. Check them out in downtown Holton, Kansas.